Hey guys, today I've decided to share a sacred recipe. I even go as far as to calling it the elixir for life. The ingredients you need are all around you everywhere you go, but only the bravest and wisest men have come to realize the full effect of this dish. You'll obviously need a big sausage. And no, I'm not talking about the one in my and your pants. What I'm talking about is the most regular sausage you can find. After you've acquired your humongous sausage, put it on a plate that can hold a little bit of liquid in it. Prepare yourself for the next ingredient. The real secret of this recipe is vinegar. The best vinegar for the full effects of this buff-inducing dish is any spirits vinegar. This will boost you even further beyond regular vinegar. Pour a little bit of it on your plate and start dipping that sausage on it like your life depended on it. But remember, just a tip that you're about to bite. Enjoy this absolutely free life hack that I've decided to share with you. With great wisdom comes great responsibility, as thus I've decided to share this sacred recipe for everyone.